Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing Pusheen Box unboxing. This is my favorite thing on the planet to do is Pusheen Box unboxing, and Pusheen is the best. So for this box, it's got snowflakes on the top. It's got a cute little Santa hat. Pusheen's wearing a Santa hat. I'm like, so cute. Before we fully unbox this bad boy though, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I do try to upload 3 to 5 times a week, and you're already here anyways, so you might as well help a girl out. And if you do like this by the end, make sure to give it a like as well. But let's get into it, because that's why you clicked. That's why you're here. So I am going to put this off to the side and not look at it. This is the info card. Let me just see. Oh! My God. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the back. I'm gonna cover it with my hand, but like, can we have a moment for this? That is precious. Okay, so let's, I'm gonna feel. Okay, what is this? Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the figurine for this box. It's a Snow Day Pusheen. And then if you guys aren't familiar with the Pusheen box, all of these are exclusive to the box, so you cannot find them anywhere else, except you can probably find them on Poshmark, because a lot of people sell theirs at the end. I need to see what this looks like. Oh my God. Oh my God, how cute is this? This is everything. Oh my God. You can sit right there. Oh, that is the cutest ever. Oh my God. Okay. What is this? Guys, we got Pusheen earmuffs. Oh my God. How cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. And they're plushy. Oh, how cute is that? Perfect for the winter. Oh my God. That is so cute. What are this? What is this? 2-pack pillowcase set. Oh my God, I have to see what this looks like. Okay, what does this look like? Oh my God, these are big pillowcases too. Oh my God, how cute. Okay, so one side says morning and the other side says night. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then let me see. Okay, the other one is the same thing. That is so cute. What is this? Oh my God, what is this? What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. Let me open it. This, oh my God, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to read the info card for this. Let me find this. Snuggle up on your couch in this cute hooded blanket. Make sure to use the snaps to create sleeves for extra coziness. Shut up. So it's just like, oh my God. I mean, obviously I have my beanie on right now, but it's a little like hooded blanket that you just put this on and just like wrap yourself up in it. This is so cute. Oh my God. That is so cute, and it is so soft. What even? That is so funny. What else is in here? Pusheen holiday greeting cards. Oh my God, how cute. Let's open it and see what they look like. Okay, so like, does it say anything in it? No, they're blank inside. That's kind of cool. So then you can write your own. And then there's this one too. So these are the 2 cards. Pusheen. And then what is this? Felt garland. Oh my God, we're opening this up right now. Oh my god. We have Pusheen garland. Oh my goodness. How cute. I don't know where I want to like ring this, put this up somewhere, but I don't know. Maybe I can like get it up behind me. We will see. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to put this up. This is so stinking cute. Hold on one second. Okay, well I tried to put it up. It's like hanging cute on this side, and then I looked back in the monitor and I'm like, dang it. So I'm gonna have to play around with that, but that is super duper cute. And then what is this? Oh, we got cozy socks. And it's Pusheen wearing a Santa hat. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, wait. I thought that was the last thing. There's one more. What is... Okay, this I saw and I got so freaking excited. So these are little latte stencils. So what you do... Oh my god, these are so stinking cute. So this is what it'll look like. Like you put it on top of your cup and then you sprinkle like cinnamon or some type of powder, and this is what is left on your cup. And then, hold on, this one, its little like eyes still not popped out yet. Hold on. Let me pop them out so you guys get the full effect. You know what I mean? Okay, hold on. Okay. And then this one is just Pusheen. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love this month's box. These were so cute. Oh my god. So if you guys are curious about the Pusheen box, it is like one of the best subscriptions. Sometimes the shipping's kind of weird. This time, like, I got it right away. So like that I super duper appreciate. And like this month's figurine, like, are you kidding me? Like, how cute is that? For this alone, I'd be so excited. I will say though, like, I'm probably not going to use this hooded thing. I wish they would have just given us like a sweater or something instead that we could have actually worn. Because it's not, like, it's super duper soft, but it's not as soft as our robe was. Like, our robe, I use her every day, and I love that. I wish this was, like, something more like a sweater or, like, a shirt. That's just me, but this is still so stinking cute. Like, Pusheen's little face is just everything, but I will still definitely use it as a blanket. But that is it for this month's Pusheen box. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Pusheen box unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.